I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually drink coffee in the morning. She smiles when she is happy. She smiles when she is happy. He drives very carefully at night. He drives very carefully at night. We often visit our grandparents. We often visit our grandparents. Please wait for me outside. Please wait for me outside. I am searching for my glasses. I am searching for my glasses. She bought a new bag yesterday. She bought a new bag yesterday. He forgot his homework at home. He forgot his homework at home. We are excited about the trip. We are excited about the trip. Please keep your room clean. Please keep your room clean. I need to finish this task. I need to finish this task. She is afraid of the dark. She is afraid of the dark. He always arrives on time. He always arrives on time. We enjoy walking in the evening. We enjoy walking in the evening. I am planning my weekend activities. I am planning my weekend activities. She closed the window gently. He is interested in science projects. He is interested in science projects. Please check your email now. Please check your email now. We are discussing our plans. We are discussing our plans. I feel nervous before exams. I feel nervous before exams. She is learning to drive. She is learning to drive. He washed his car yesterday. He washed his car yesterday. Please send me the details. Please send me the details. We are celebrating her birthday. We are celebrating her birthday. I am trying something new today. I am trying something new today. She painted her room pink. She painted her room pink. He is worried about the results. He is worried about the results. Please answer the phone quickly. Please answer the phone quickly. We are preparing for the test. We are preparing for the test. I forgot your name again. I forgot your name again. She is teaching her sister math. She is teaching her sister math. He is waiting at the station. He is waiting at the station. Please tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. We are enjoying the cool weather. I need your advice right now.